brother Sai. Then I'm Sia, two inventor cute. Set free. In the Philippines. Like the video, subscribe, get notified. Hello guys, I am Sia. Then I'm going to show you my bed. It's so beautiful. I keep fixing it all day. Even in the morning, afternoon, night. If I glue it, I fix it again. This is how it looks. Wait guys, this is how my bed looks like. It have a pink pillow and my dolls, my things. It's like my toys and my stuff that I need for schools. Then I have my pillows, my teddy bears, my book, my stickers, my toys, my comfy bed. It's so beautiful and smooth. My stove, it have a stove that it's pink, purple, yellow. My three favorite colors. And this is the one maker, the one we use for. Then we put the maker here. Then we put some clay here. Then we stamp it like that, and it will be like a patty. Yeah. And these are the buttons to start. There's a burger, a soft drinks, a logo, and strawberries and bread. And another bread, of course. And then this is the one we put the slide. Then we put a clay here. Then we do like that. And we put here. And it will be like spaghetti and like hot dog. And how you use it, you turn on this one. And you press this button. Yeah. And this is our the toys. I have the cake. This is strawberry cake that is vanilla frosting and chocolate frosting. Okay. And these are my grapes. This is the grapes. This is the, what's this one? And this is maybe a strawberry. And I have this spaghetti. And these are the veg. Okay, this is the patty. And this is the leaf. This is the pepper. This is the plate. And I have another one. That's a plate. I have another one. It's just here. You can put the clay here. You can put the clay here. And you remove it, then it's look like a bead. Yeah. And we have a bread that it's look like a bread, but they have a design because it's a toy. And these are, I have the maker for the pancake, which is you put like that. Then I have my luggage that we put my dress here. Then my stuff, my school supplies like my book, my pencil, my ball pen, my stickers. And this is the one I put my storybooks. And these are my things this is my clip, and these are my perfume. Yes, actually. And these are my project. This is the rainbow, and this is the green. Actually, this is my alcohol that I put alcohol inside because Tito always using this, so I get it. So I clean it with water, then I put alcohol, then I've been using it. Then this is my cell phone, Hello Kitty cell phone. That it's Hello Kitty. And this is my mirror. This is my mirror. And this is my wallet. And this is my headband. And I have more headband than that. I have this one. And of course I have this. Then I have this. I have also another perfume. This one. And I have this beautiful brand ring. It's beautiful. Yeah. So let's put back so we can complete with another stuff. Makeup with the makeup set. First we need some powder so our skin will be so flat and will be white.
Flat?
So it'll be soft.
Or be fair?
Flat mean is soft.
Okay. Soft and smooth.
Yeah.
You mean to say? Yeah. Okay. That is your powder?
Yeah.
Oh, this is your powder. Okay. Johnson and Johnson baby powder, right?
Yeah.
Next. What will be next?
Next is lotion. So
You're doing a makeup and now a lotion?
Yeah. Yeah. Because it's skin also. It's for skin.
Okay.
It's cupcake. I like the smell.
How you will apply the lotion? Just in the palm like that, not directly to your skin. Okay. Put the cap and put it down.
I cannot.
You cannot?
No, can you help me?
I'll help you. Wait. Give me. Okay. What you will do now?
Now we'll apply it to my skin. Then we do like that.
Spread it.
Yes, good. That's it. I will put everything. You like my hair is so smooth. Oh, it's white. It's white.
You're so funny.
Okay, at first I will choose the color. Which one you want to pick size? This one or this one? Tell me, guys. I don't know what to choose.
It's morning today, so what you will choose? You choose the color that is lighter. This color, because this one is for the night time.
This one and the mirror. If you need something, you just put it back. You just need it, then you put it back. So it'll be clean. Okay, I'll go for the white first. doing, guys?
What color did you pick?
I picked this side. I picked the color purple and the blue, Mommy's favorite color. What's your favorite color, Mommy?
For what? Kind of for makeup?
No, for
Anything?
just ask what
My favorite color is
what.
pink, like you.
Okay. Did you auto?
What happened? Wow, very beautiful. Wow, very beautiful color. What is that?
Blue.
Blue and purple together? Wow, so pretty girl. Wow, so shiny lips. No tissue to
Is
do
it?
makeup.
It's so shiny.
Yes, it's so pretty.
Yeah, then we'll add this one. What's this color?
What is that color?
This one. It's gold yellow.
Yellow gold.
Oh.
How come it's a yellow gold? Oh my god.
Okay. That's good. Then time for the eye. Let's do like that. Going to put something on her face that it needs something smooth.
You didn't comb your hair.
Oh yeah,
And put your ribbon and that's it. It's fine, you're pretty.
I'm so excited to put it. I need
Can I do it for you or if
Okay,
it's
okay.
doing?
you do it for me. I can't.
Yeah.
Is it beautiful?
It's okay, you don't remove it.
It's fine.
Sakpan. Let me see. Okay.
Let me see. You must blend here, not there.
Sharing is caring. Subscribe our channel for more videos.